Somewhere between Romsey and the forgotten bends of the River Dun lies a village that time barely touched. Welcome to Lockerley, a place where silence speaks louder than words. But don't be fooled, even the quietest places have the loudest stories. The name Lockerley likely means a clearing in a fenced woodland, which sounds peaceful until you realize fences are built to keep something in or out. Makes you wonder what they were really trying to lock away. Once, a train used to stop in Lock or Ley. Today, only grass, rust, and the ghosts of missed opportunities remain where the station once stood. Not even Google Maps can help you find what has already passed into legend. Did you know that the first school in Lockerley was apparently in a barn? Yes, a barn. Lessons took place among haystacks, and if a cow sneezed, the test had to be paused. And yet, they say the pupils were better behaved than they are today. Lockerley stores may look unassuming, but it's the beating heart of the village. Locals say you can find everything there: tea, batteries, gossip, and emergency hugs. In 2021, the shop was a lifeline, run entirely by volunteers. If you're still here, it means you definitely deserve something for sticking with me until the end of this journey. So here are a few photos I managed to take during my visit to this charming little village.